Let us begin with the two most powerful words in business. What if? What if you could imagine an entirely new kind of company? What if your company was AI first? Not in name, but in every action. What if agents augmented every employee, every team, every customer? What if dashboards became conversations? What if clicks became commands? What if everything showed up right where you already work? What if every signal, every decision, every outcome was orchestrated in real time? And what if that future wasn't 5 years away? What if it started now? This is the Salesforce Agentic platform, and the world will never work the same again.